Like it's
wow.
Yeah. Yeah, now I have guys, maybe I have someone to film the B-roll for me now. So this, should I hire her, guys? What do you think? Let me know.
Hireable.
Definitely. Dzień dobry from here on Nowy Świat Street, here in Warsaw. Like literally no joke. I was saying today, gonna take a break, not gonna vlog, just gonna chill, gonna relax. But you guys know she's here, or some of you guys know she's here. You guys have been tagging me, you've been writing me. So I'm heading to go meet her right now. Some of you guys know who I'm talking about. Okay, so here in Old Town. They should be in here in Old Town. They told me that they're here. Hope I could find them. And of course, as you guys know, they are like half Polish as well. So they kind of don't kind of stick out like I do, where it's always easier in Poland for me to tell my friends to find me than it is for me to find my friends. But they should be here somewhere. Can people see the drink in there or no?
There's no alcohol.
It's ice. It's non-alcoholic. Hey. Ice.
Just make me look good, okay?
It's EWELINA. Oh, I don't know what I mean. Maybe if I get out in my gear. No, that's professional.
Yeah, professional YouTuber.
Does your audience know that you use that to film?
I think they just found out. They probably.
Oh, she uses an iPhone to film.
Well, I brought my camera, but we need to upgrade. So my camera, if I film it with it, you guys gonna have a headache from all the shaking.
Yeah, like how you guys complained about my video shaking, why I switched to GoPro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need this GoPro.
Yeah. What should we even say to the people? What should we say? Because everyone was like, well, people told you we should meet because you're in Warsaw, right. I'm in Warsaw.
Yeah.
You guys know her. If you guys don't know her, like, it's EWELINA. This is who I learned Polish from, guys. When I talk about, this is so true. I forgot, I've talked about you in the vlog.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And yeah. And we're speaking English. I thought we were supposed to speak Polish. Cześć.
Cześć.
Wszystko dobrze.
Wszystko dobrze. Jak się czujesz dzisiaj?
Dobrze. Dobrze.
Dobrze spałeś dzisiaj?
I learned that from her before I even met her. That's pretty impressive. So how has your trip been? Now I'm the interviewer.
Yes,
I'm not used to this. So how has your trip been? Because does your viewers, like, they didn't know the history, or some of them probably wouldn't know?
It depends. It depends when they started watching me. So
yeah.
If they started watching me a long time ago,
yeah.
they know some of the history, but if they don't, then they probably
don't know that you're Polish and been in the States for
16 years.
16 years. And now you're coming back to Poland.
And it's such a different experience. It's such a different experience. It's so beautiful. I really, really love it. It's so refreshing. It's beautiful. I feel also that Poland is not really like discovered yet as much as like Paris, Rome,
exactly,
this, that. You know, it's so crowded. It's so many people. Poland is not discovered. So if you want to travel to Poland, do it now.
Yes.
Do it now before it's gonna get real crowded.
Everyone's gonna come. Yep.
Yes, because of our vlogs.
Yeah, because of the vlogs. For sure.
Gonna come.
You joke, but it's for sure. People are.
I think so. For real.
Like Poland is, yeah.
So.
And we're here, Warsaw, Old Town, and Old Town.
People sokiem.
I don't drink beer, so I don't know what you're talking about there.
My audience know I drink beer with sokiem.
Yeah, and Old Town's like the best place to come to. But we met. You guys said that, like, you know, we should meet. So I want to thank you guys and some of you guys from EWELINA's channel. Her channel's like linked below, but some of you for her channel like tagged me, and some of you guys wrote me on Instagram, like, yo, you gotta come check, you gotta check her out. Like, I was like, yo, I know who she is, guys. So yeah, we met. And then we have to give them something. What should we? I don't know. I'll think of something. We'll think of something and we'll spin to some cool value. And we might not even be here. We'll do the. That's why I spin, you know,
yes,
because then you have plenty of time, you know.
I know.
Well, we're gonna spin. It is almost golden hour. It is almost golden hour with EWELINA. I'm trying to think of something to give you guys some value, because if you guys don't know about her, to give you guys a little proof. Did you start filming already or no?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oops. Yeah, to give you guys some value. No, she well, what she did is she had a Polish channel. She taught people how to learn Polish, and now she's traveling and she's switching to vlogging. So maybe ask her about the transition from switching from, you're like a Polish, you teach people Polish, that's what you do, that's what you do. So switching to something else kind of out of your comfort zone, and while you're still learning about yourself, what was like your thought, like how were you able to do that?
Well, it is a good question. I think teaching Polish gave me a lot of fulfillment, because I do feel like I give a lot of value to you guys, but it's almost, I almost feel sometimes like I do it for you. Like I do it for them. I speak
it's
Polish.
Not your,
I love it, and I love the feedback, and I love that I give you value, and I love that you guys are learning and practicing with me.
Yeah.
But I needed to do something that will give me fulfill my soul. That will
like your truth.
Yes, exactly. And I feel like, I am in Poland, amazing. It is my home country, and I'm so happy to be here, and it's beautiful. But anywhere I am in the world, I always wanted to capture my journey, and I hope you guys wanted to see what I wanted to capture. Like it's my journey, it's my life, and I wanted to, you know, share it with the world and
document the journey.
And document the journey.
Yeah, exactly.
So I mean, what was the transition? I don't know how was the transition, but it was like, it was something that I always wanted to do it, and I got the courage. I was just like, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it.
And the people out there who don't have the courage, what would you say to them?
You know, it's that Nike thing, but it really is.
Yeah, and I can bleep it out.
Yeah, bleep that out. Just do it. Just do it. Like, don't even think about it. Don't overthink.
Yeah, that's the killer.
It
overthinking.
Is the killer.
Yeah.
It didn't happen, and you're already thinking it.
Yeah.
It didn't happen. It might never even happen. Just do it. Do it now.
Okay. Excuse me. Okay. I can't even say anything after that. I don't even know what this. I mean, see how clear, you see how wide angle it is as well?
Yes.
Like it's...
Wow.
Yeah, now I have, guys, maybe I have someone to film the B-roll for me now, so this... Should I hire her, guys? What do you think? Let me know.
I'm hireable.
Definitely. And now we're just kind of walk around. I don't know where are we going?
We're just going somewhere. We're
going somewhere. Yeah, we're just gonna walk around and just enjoy Old Town while the sun is out here in Warsaw. You never know what's gonna rain. It's Poland. But a question, how do you feel being a tourist in your own country? How does that feel?
It feels good. It feels good. Like, it feels like it's my country, but it isn't, but it is. But the more I spend time here, the more I feel like, man, I love this country. But then I think about it, like, I was born here. Like, I didn't know anything before I left. This is all I knew. This food, this country, these people, this language. It's crazy.
And now look.
It's crazy. Do you think you're gonna feel that way? Like, when you come back to the States?
That's the only place I feel like a tourist actually is in my own country.
Exactly, but there you go.
As I said with Jasmine TV, you guys watched that interview. Actually, we did the interview right over there too. Actually, hold on, I should end the vlog right now. Do you want to say something at the end of the vlog? I should end my vlog right now. I wasn't even gonna vlog today, guys, but
put me on the spot, I will, but no.
What if I told you I was recording right now and you're in the spot? Does this matter?
I put my glasses on so I look better.
Okay.
But
anything you want to say? Anything you want to say to people?
Yes, I do.
Oh gosh, I shouldn't ask.
Yes.
You got it.
We're gonna finish this vlog right here because this is the perfect spot and the perfect weather. And you guys always remember
to work hard.
To work hard.
Be brave.
And don't forget to smile.
Oh,
Cheers.
ciao. That's so good.